Let's start with scale. The observable universe spans about 93 billion light-years in diameter. That means the light from the farthest known objects has taken 46.5 billion years to reach us, despite the universe only being about 13.8 billion years old. This paradox exists because the universe has been expanding faster than the speed of light since the Big Bang. 2. Space is not empty. We often think of space as a void, but it's not completely empty. There are about 1 atom per cubic meter in intergalactic space. It's unimaginably sparse compared to Earth's atmosphere, but even the emptiest parts of space contain particles, radiation, magnetic fields, and dark matter. 3. Neutron stars are mind-bendingly dense.